What happens to the sale proceeds from inherited property when only part of the property belonged to a deceased sibling's estate? Under North Carolina law, the key point is ownership share. Only the deceased sibling's share is generally exposed to that sibling's estate debts, creditor claims, or judgment liens. The rest of the proceeds should go to the other owners or to the person who validly received their shares, unless a separate lien or claim also attaches to those interests. At closing, the attorney will usually divide the net proceeds based on the legal ownership percentages. For example, if the deceased sibling's estate owned 1/4 of the property, then only that 1/4 would typically be held for the estate, paid toward valid estate debts, or distributed through probate. The other 3/4 would not become part of the sibling's estate just because the property was sold in one transaction. If the sibling's estate is still open, the personal representative may need to join in the deed, receive the estate's share, hold it in escrow, or ask the court for authority if the sale is needed to pay debts. Creditors must have valid and timely claims, and judgment liens must have properly attached to the sibling's real property interest. So the short answer is this: the sale proceeds should be separated by ownership share, and only the deceased sibling's portion should be handled through that sibling's estate.